What's up everyone, here with an unboxing of the MacBook Air 15-inch. I had two 13-inch MacBook Airs. I had the M1 and the Intel one before they switched over. School started, kids need laptops, gave them those. Something portable and light with them they can take with them so they can do schoolwork. So that's why those are gone. So I invested in the 15-inch one. I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't gonna even fake it to you. I got it because of the bigger screen. Simple as that. I just wanted a bigger screen. I like the 16-inch screen on the MacBook Pro, and I needed something I could take with me when I go on vacation or trips. Something light where I can kind of do a little heavy work, just a little. I got the baseline version. I didn't expect to be working with this hardcore. I'm not going to be doing crazy edits with this. This is basically like write out a script, print some things I need, or anything along those lines. Something light work, nothing crazy. Like if I need a edit real quick, I'll do one or two. Nothing crazy. This ain't gonna be the main machine as far as video editing. Portable light laptop I can take with me with a nice screen size. So let's get into this unboxing. And like I said, this is the baseline version. Now there is a little difference between the previous MacBook Air with the M1. This has got the M2 chips. Like I said, this ain't a MacBook Pro, so the M2 chip, I don't know how well it's going to work for what I needed to do, but I'll push a little something to it. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 SSD. So I got a couple of portable hard drives I'll be using, basically not to be putting too much on that. All right, so let's get started. One other thing I noticed with this box, I don't know if they like that with the newer ones that come out, but no plastic on it. You know, with the MacBook Pro, you get the plastic, you tear it off at the top. None of that. And a little interesting. Okay, let's see what we got. Put it down right here. All right, that's the laptop. Put it to the side. I have a MagSafe to USB-C. I guess that's the standard. And oh, I have a charging brick here. Let's see what it is. My glasses. 35 watt. I won't be using it. Oh, whoa, snap. Oh, they changed it up. They no longer got the little slot there when you switch it over, and then you can get the extender port and all that. Nice little change up. Some literature. Let's see what they got. That couple of stickers. Ooh, great ones. I don't never use any of them. So, oh, I thought this was a book, but it's this is not. So, all right. Put this to the side. All right, let's get to this MacBook Air. All right, now this one does come in multiple colors. Space gray, silver, midnight, and some other color. One thing I was kind of let down by this, but didn't expect it. There is no SD card, so you just got the two Thunderbolt ports on the side and the headphone jack on the other. Another thing that was interesting to me about this laptop is that just like the 13-inch, this doesn't come with a fan, which is odd because of the screen size. More real estate, more battery, you know what I mean, size, and no fan for the CPU. A little interesting. That's why I didn't want to invest too much money in this, because I feel like it doesn't have the things I would need if I were case I wanted to push it to a certain level, you know? So let's open this bad boy up. Okay. Yeah, I like this screen size a lot. Got the notch, of course, but if you've been using the MacBook Pro or the 14-inch, you know most of the hardware that you use in software, it covers it up really nicely, so you don't really see it as much. Okay, let's go and get started. English. Oh, I gotta do it. Oh, all right, come on. What this say? Accessibility not now. Okay. Let me set this Wi-Fi up real quick. So right now, look like it gave me about 40% battery life. Okay. Let's try this again. Oh, it did work. Sorry. Update. Let's do it later. Continue. Connect AC power to run. Cancel. Not now. Well, I'm gonna leave it there because I gotta do some things with the phone and other things. But thank you guys for checking out this unboxing. Anybody who has a MacBook Air, in the comment section, let me know what you prefer, a Pro or Air. Hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you guys in my next video.